Want to know how to save money this Thanksgiving without compromising on the celebration? You're in the right place. We're about to embark on an exciting journey of money-saving tips that not only are easy to implement, but will also significantly cut your holiday costs. Imagine having an unforgettable Thanksgiving feast without breaking the bank. Sounds interesting, right? Ready to dive into our countdown of the top 10 money-saving tips for Thanksgiving? Buckle up and let's get started. Starting off at number 10, plan ahead. Folks, it's all about strategizing your meals, guest lists, and decor well in advance. This way, you sidestep those pricey last-minute purchases. Remember, a little planning goes a long way in saving money. At number 9, we have potluck-style Thanksgiving. A potluck-style Thanksgiving is not just fun, it's savvy too. By having everyone bring a dish, you distribute the costs, making the feast more affordable for all. So, why not give a potluck Thanksgiving a shot this year? Number 8 on our list is homemade decorations. Why not unleash your inner artist this Thanksgiving? Crafting your own decorations not only saves cash, but it also adds a unique personal touch to your festivities. So folks, it's time to unleash your creativity and save some bucks. Coming in at number 7, buy in bulk. A smart way to stretch your dollar is by snagging non-perishable and freezable items in large quantities. It's an effortless method to get more for less, especially for Thanksgiving staples. Remember, bulk buying equals bulk saving. Number 6 on our list is a no-brainer: shop sales. Thanksgiving deals are a blessing in disguise. They offer a great opportunity to snag those holiday essentials at a fraction of the cost. So, scour those flyers, check online deals, and don't forget about coupons. Keep an eye out for those sales and your wallet will thank you. Halfway through our list at number 5, use leftovers creatively. Let's turn those turkey remnants into a hearty soup. Or how about a cranberry muffin using yesterday's sauce? Reduce waste, create new meals, and save money. With leftovers, the feast continues without hurting your pocket. Tip number 4, limit drink options. Let's talk about beverages. It's easy to get carried away with a variety of sodas, juices, and adult libations. But offering a limited selection can cut your costs significantly. Remember, less is more when it comes to saving money on drinks. Cracking the top 3, it's time for tip 3, DIY gifts. There's nothing like adding a personal touch to your gifts. Craft them yourself, and you'll not only save a pretty penny, but also give something uniquely yours. DIY gifts are not just economical, they're also heartwarming. Almost there with tip 2, avoid disposables. You see, those handy paper plates and plastic cutlery can add up in cost. Plus, they're not too friendly to our dear Mother Earth. Opt for regular dishes, folks. Avoid disposables, save money, and save the environment. And finally, our number 1 tip, be grateful. Now, y'all, focusing on gratitude and companionship, rather than all that big old lavishness, can truly help save some pennies. After all, it's about the love we share, not the money we spend. Remember, the best things in life are free. And there you have it, our top 10 tips to save money this Thanksgiving. From planning ahead to potluck-style dinners, homemade decorations to buying in bulk, and from shopping sales to creative use of leftovers. Remember, limiting drink options, crafting DIY gifts, avoiding disposables, and above all, being grateful can make a big difference. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Money Masters for more money-saving advice. Happy Thanksgiving, y'all!